Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 14. This is our group members.
Table 1 showing data labor force in Malaysia. Sampling technique used is simple random sampling because selecting random n equal 50 from labor force in Malaysia. The type of data is secondary data because the data has been collected for a purpose and the data consists quantitative values. The level of measurement is interval scale.
Three tables that can describe the data, we use frequency distribution, cumulative frequency and relative frequency. For suitable graphical method to represent the data, we use histogram graph and ogive graph. For histogram graph, we use frequency and midpoint to locate the point. Meanwhile, for the ogive graph, we use frequency and cumulative frequency to locate the data.
This is the table that we have calculated to find the position for quartile, variation, variance, standard deviation and shape of the distribution. So this is formula to find the location of quartile, Q1 and Q3. So we can see Q1 is 37.02 and Q3 is 57.38. So for measure variation, we have to use range formula. The range is 73, and for variance and standard deviation, the variance we got is 27637.139 and standard deviation we have to square root the variance and we got 166.244. For shape of distribution, we got mean is bigger than median, bigger than mode, so therefore it's skewed to the right.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NORFATIHAH Binti ABDUL Halim. My message number is HFT20203. Based on the data given, we have the ratio of female to male labor force in total maximum and minimum according to country and year. As you guys can see, ratio to female to male labor force maximum equal to independent variables, while ratio to female to male labor force minimum equals to dependent variables. Next, we have sample size, type of data, and level of measurement for the two variables in instruction. The sample size for this data set featuring information about the ratio of female to male labor force in different countries across various years is n equal to 40. The data type for both variables maximum ratio x and minimum ratio y is quantitative. These variables are measured on a ratio scale because they possess a true zero point, allowing for meaningful ratios to be calculated.
If the data set consists of n above than 100, then you may select at random n not greater than 100 but n must be at least 30. For example, n equal 50. Thus, I discovered that n equal 40 for this data collection.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohd Binti. My meeting number HFT20203. We talk about the signal product moment, correlation and co-option, and we are going to use the following formula to determine the percentage correlation and co-option. This data is used to calculate the operational co-option and co-option and co-option. After calculate the operational correlation and co-option in 40 data points, we found the correlation between the maximum female to male labor force ratio and the minimum female to male labor force ratio is 0.98, indicating this very strong relationship. Thank you.